Welcome back to our channel. Today, we bring you breaking developments from Russia, a country currently facing significant internal and external challenges. From battlefield losses to internal instability, the situation is rapidly evolving. Let's break down what happened in Russia today and examine the implications of the recent losses. What happened in Russia today? In the past 24 hours, Russia has witnessed a series of critical developments, both militarily and politically. First, on the Ukraine front, there have been intensified clashes along the eastern Donetsk and Kharkiv regions. Ukrainian forces have reportedly launched precision strikes on key Russian supply lines, reportedly damaging ammunition depots and command centers. These strikes have caused disruption in logistics and further slowed down Russian advances. Moreover, reports suggest that Russia suffered a targeted drone attack on a military facility near Belgorod. Multiple explosions were heard, and local sources report a fire that raged for hours. Though Russian authorities have not confirmed the full extent of the damage, satellite images show large-scale destruction, pointing to a significant tactical blow. 2. Russian military and territorial losses. According to open-source intelligence and independent military trackers, Russia has reportedly lost more than 20 armored vehicles in just the past 2 days. These include tanks, IFVs, infantry fighting vehicles, and mobile artillery units. Ukrainian drone footage has surfaced online, showing several destroyed convoys and abandoned outposts. Additionally, there are increasing reports of Russian troop casualties. Estimates from Western intelligence sources suggest that over 500 Russian soldiers were either killed or wounded in the last 72 hours of intensified fighting. While official Russian sources deny these figures, the silence or vague language used in Kremlin press releases raises serious questions. Meanwhile, in the Black Sea, Ukraine's navy claimed it successfully struck another Russian warship using long-range naval drones. Although unconfirmed by Moscow, if true, it would add to the growing list of Russian naval losses, a critical setback to Russia's strategic hold in the region. 4. Global reaction. The international community is watching closely. NATO has reiterated its support for Ukraine, with fresh military aid packages being announced by the US, UK, and Germany. Meanwhile, countries like China and India are reportedly urging diplomatic restraint behind closed doors. European leaders have warned that the instability in Russia could lead to regional spillover, especially in border regions and former Soviet states. There is also concern about the security of Russia's nuclear facilities amid internal unrest and external attacks. Conclusion. To sum it up, today, Russia has suffered multiple setbacks, militarily on the front lines, economically at home, and politically in the eyes of the world. The situation is complex and continues to evolve rapidly. We'll keep tracking the developments closely. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others who follow global affairs, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay tuned and stay informed.